In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new sequence and auto-match settings to your footage. By the end, you'll have a clean, properly configured timeline that matches your video so you can edit confidently without surprises. First, open your editor and head to File, then New, then Sequence. This creates the container your clips will live in. Think of a sequence as the canvas for your project. It defines your frame size, aspect ratio, and how your footage will be displayed and exported later. If you see an option to name your sequence, give it something clear and descriptive so it's easy to find in your project panel as you move forward. Next, choose your resolution. Go with 1920 by 1080 for a standard 16.9 Full HD timeline, or choose 3840 by 2160 if you're working with 4K footage. Both are 16.9, which is the most common widescreen format for online platforms. If your source clips are mostly 1080p, using a 1080 sequence keeps things efficient and avoids unnecessary scaling. If most of your clips are 4K and you want maximum detail or plan to crop or reframe, a 4K sequence is the better choice. Keep in mind that higher resolutions can be more demanding on your system, so if playback feels choppy, that's normal at higher specs. You can always optimize later without changing the core setup you're making here. Now let's make sure the sequence truly matches your footage. Drag your main clip into the timeline. Most editors will automatically detect the clip's properties and either adjust the sequence or prompt you to match the settings. If you see a message asking whether to keep the existing settings or match the clip, choose the option to match. This ensures the frame size, pixel aspect ratio, and frame rate align with your footage, which helps prevent soft images, unwanted black bars, or jittery motion. If your clip was shot at a specific frame rate, this step preserves it so motion looks exactly as captured. After dropping the clip, take a quick look at your timeline header or sequence info to confirm the dimensions now reflect your choice, 1920 by 1080 or 3840 by 2160, and that everything plays smoothly. You should see your clip fill the frame correctly without scaling warnings. That's it, you created a new sequence, set the right resolution, and let your editor auto-match to your footage. With this foundation,